Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use your Microsoft list in SharePoint, okay? Now, in order for you to do this, you're going to need to have an institutional email with a Microsoft account, okay? So if you don't have one, just make sure that you ask your company, your university, your high school, whatever you're using, okay, for one Microsoft account. If you're a particular user, you can always buy your Microsoft 365 plans, okay, in order to get a Microsoft account that is going to have, access to all of these services. So yeah, once that's clear, I want you to go to your Microsoft list in here. There we go. And here already you should have access to your basically to your SharePoint, okay? Because Microsoft List is basically the same as SharePoint. It works with the same technology, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to go to create new, and I want you to go to list in here. And now after that, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna get, write a name for your list. So you're just gonna write a name in here. Let's say test. And instead of creating it in your list, okay, which is going to be like a private site, I want you to go to any of your sites, okay, of your SharePoint sites in here, okay, just select any of these ones, okay, and after you're ready, just click on create, and then you're gonna have access to your list in SharePoint, okay, which is great. Thank you so much, guys.